What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po, and of course today another blessed day and another reaction video tayo. Guys, ang tagal ko tong hinintay, no? Weeks para lang sa performance ni Mati J sa Britain's Got Talent finals, no? And I know guys, some of you alam niyo na yan, naka dalawang golden buzzer po siya, kaya diretso na siya sa finals, no? And what I'm trying to say here guys, hindi ko pa to napapanood, kaya please samahan nyo ako. Panoorin natin ng sabay-sabay ang naging performance niya sa finale. And later on guys, i-update ko kayo kung ano yung naging resulta ng kanyang performance, no? So, chill lang tayo guys. And by the way guys, I need to pause po the video more often because of the red notice. Baka hindi natin ma-upload to. So, please bear with me. I'm begging you guys. So tara na, panoorin na natin to. Huwag na natin patagalin. Ang performance po ni Mati J ay nandito. So I need to lighten up guys. Tara na, let's do this. Hey!
It's been 7 hours.
Woo! Opening guys, sobrang ganda ng staging, no? And Mati is there standing on the middle and wearing black.
50 days since you took your love away.
And guys, by the way, no, this song is kinanta to ni Prince, kung kilala nyo siya. Siya din po yung kumanta ng Purple Rain. I don't know the story behind kung bakit doon lang nag-stick si Mati, no, sa song ni Prince. And this time guys, ang kakantahin niya is Nothing Compares to You. And I believe iniba rin niya yung arrangement nito because, you know, Mati is Mati. Sobrang versatile niya and kaya niya rin mag-arrange ng mga song. And of course, the high notes. Let's wait for that. Let's see. Let's hear it.
I go out every night.
Guys, the emotion. Sana, I hope nakikita nyo nandito sa side na to, no? The emotion. The facial expression. Damang-dama ko agad yung emosyon ni Mati dito. And makikita mo naman sa kanya na ina-enjoy niya yung performance niya na to.
Sleep all day.
Ooh, ito yung nakakamiss eh. Yung mga runs na ganyan ni Mati. Tapos biglang boom, tataas.
Since you took your love away.
Ooh, sobrang ganda nun ha. Yung runs na yun. Tapos eto na. Tignan natin kung anong pasabog niya dito sa, you know, part na to ng song.
I can eat my dinner at a fancy restaurant.
Ooh, and guys, no, napansin ko din, napakadami niyang backup singer. This is the acapella yata. No, yung mga backup singer, ang dami. Sobrang dami. Like, kaliwat kanan. Kaya mas lalong gumaganda yung performance eh.
But nothing, said nothing can take away these blues.
And guys, no, this performance, feeling ko, ito na yun. Ito na yung pinaka, no, todo na to ni Mati. Kasi nga, finalist na to. And of course, guys, no, what I can say, the arrangement of the song, sobrang iniba niya. Medyo jazzy. Jazzy yung dating niya sa akin.
Nothing compares, nothing compares.
Hey! Sobra yung emotion niya dito, yung atake, yung giggle. Kitang-kita ko kung gaano siya ka on fire na si Mati dito. Sobrang on fire.
To you.
Hey, those high notes, sobrang gigil na si Mati dito. I don't know what will happen, no? So, let's see. Sobrang excited ako dito kung paano niya tatapusin yung song na to.
All the flowers that you planted, mama.
Woo! Those run, like, sobrang, ewan ko ha, parang iba yung atake talaga ni Mati dito sa song na to. Iniba niya talaga kasi lagi ko to pinakikinggan, guys. This Nothing Compares to You ni Prince. Sobrang iba. Iba talaga yung ginawa niya dito, yung arrangement, no. Sobrang parang pag pinakinggan mo, kung lagi mong pinakikinggan yung song na to ni Prince, iniba parang ibang singer, ibang atake, pero the lyrics is same. You know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean.
In the backyard, all gone when you went away.
Woo! Those deep voice and then the run. Sobrang ganda, ang sexy nun, ang fire. Sobrang nice. Hey! The fire! Literal na may apoy, guys. Lumabas na yung literal na may apoy. Sa stage. Oh my God. Sabi ko na nga ba ito yung nararamdaman ko sa performance na to Hey, and of course, the backup singers, pinakita na po sila, all black people. Nice. Ang gaganda ng boses.
But I'm willing to give it a try.
Grabe, umaapoy na po ang stage plus ang boses ni Mati, sobrang taas. Babalikan natin yan ng konti, guys. I know nabitin na naman kayo, no? Pasensya na. Here we go. Hey, the high notes, sobrang fire. Ito na yung flavor na yan. I don't know what to say. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang nakaka-chill yung performance na to ni Mati. Sobrang yung emotion, sumasabog, umaapaw ang emosyon ni Mati, no, while singing this song. And I hope maganda yung naging, result ng performance niya na to later on. Panoorin natin yung mga magiging comments ng judges. Grabe, no? Tignan nyo naman kung nakikita nyo yan. Sobrang yung kada high notes ni Mati, sumasabog din yung stage. Tignan mo naman, pati yung mga backup singers, pati yung stage umaapoy na kada high notes niya. Like, tama talaga ako ng feeling. It's on fire. This performance is fire. Legit, guys. Sobra, itinaas niya pa. Like, Mati, ikaw na. Yung ending, guys, no, high notes niya tinapos yung ending ng song. Pero sa original parang hindi naman ganun 'yon. Like, syempre, of course, flavor ni Mati to, version niya to, no, ng Nothing Compares to You, and I'm so happy to see this performance from Mati. Sobrang ganda. Pang finale talaga, laban na laban siya. Binigay niya naman yung 100% niya dito. What I can say is sobrang ganda. Fire, on fire talaga yung performance. I hope, guys, kita nyo din naman yun. Very emotional. Oh, standing ovation. Let's go. Let's see, guys, no, kung anong magiging comment dito ng mga judges. Since finals na to, of course, what we expect is lahat naman yan positive na. But of course, I hope na merong think sa atin ng may marinig tayo na posibleng maging champion.
Well, I'm glad we're not the ones voting tonight, because after that performance, you also could win the whole show.
Oh, by the way, guys, no, this is voting, ano pala to, no, voting yung kanilang process kung sinong mananalo. And then I think there's additional points pa mga judges.
I mean, it's just been a sensational night, and you finished it off in style. First class vocal is as good as it gets. Mic drop.
Mic drop.
I feel like I've run out of adjectives for this show. I mean, it was perfection.
Perfection. Yeah. Sobrang perfect talaga.
Absolute perfection. You nailed it. You're a star.
And guys, no, of course, sana maraming mag-open na opportunity kay Mati because of this competition, no, sa Britain's Got Talent. I-hope natin yan na mas maraming dumating na opportunity kay Mati because of this. I hope talaga. Sana madami.
I just don't know what to say.
Okay.
Well done, Matty.
Matty, you're incredible. You are incredible. I mean, you've gone viral before.
Yes, nag-viral po si Mati sa kanyang mga performances and of course sa double buzzer niya, hands down talaga, sobrang galing.
You are about to go viral again after that performance, man. That was unbelievable, man. You could easily win this. I mean, this is going to be tough.
Really tough. Tuwang-tuwa siya, no? Nice.
Simon, did you like that?
That was absolutely brilliant, Matty. I think we've all fallen in love with you from the minute we first met you. Your personality, your talent, and you're not afraid to take on these big songs because with someone like you, always in the back of your head when you're singing is, I've got to hit the big note. I've got
Yeah, lagi yan, high notes talaga. Pasabog.
to hit the big note. Every time you hit the big note and then above.
Tinaas na, tinaas pa. Yun guys. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin kanina.
I agree. This has been honestly amazing tonight.
Yes, agree. From Simon Cowell.
I think you couldn't have done any more, genuinely.
Thank you, judges.
Good for
Matty.
you.
Matty. Wow. What about that? You left
Speak
the
for Matty.
Philippines with a dream.
Amen.
Do you feel like you're dreaming tonight?
I do feel like I'm dreaming tonight. You all don't feel real to me until today. I think I'm only get a full grasp of it after. But thank you so much for all the love. This dream has been so surreal. Thank you so much.
Well done.
Okay, sobrang true, no? Emotional ni Mati, oh.
Listen, well done, Matty. Well done.
And that's it guys, yung kanyang performance. I hope guys nag-enjoy din kayo kagaya ko, no? Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. And guys, ito na yung update sa performance niya, no? Siya po ay nakatanggap sa top 4, no, sa finale, which is not bad for me kasi isang Pilipino na sumubok, no? Sumugal, lumaban, and nagpahanga ng iba-ibang, ng maraming tao sa buong mundo, and which is very nice for me kasi sobrang nakaka-proud ang isang Pilipina po, no, na lumalaban, gumagawa ng ingay, pangalan, ng history. This is part of the history guys, so sobrang nakaka-proud si Mati, and I hope mas marami pa pong mga Pilipino ang makilala natin at makita man natin sa ibang bansa na gumagawa po ng pangalan. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Ako po si Orbs and kita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod. Maraming salamat. God bless.